Do you guys know what I did to get in here? I taped Laurie Lester's buns together. Yeah, you know him? Well, then you know how hairy he is, right? Yeah. Well, when they pulled the tape off, most of his hair came off, and some skin too. And the bizarre thing is that he did it for my old man. I tortured this poor kid because I wanted him to think I was cool. He's always, you know, going off about when he was in school, all the wild things he used to do. And I got the feeling that he was disappointed that I never cut loose on anyone, right? So I'm sitting in the locker room, taping up my knee, and Laurie's undressing a couple lockers down from me, and he's kinda skinny, weak. And I started thinking about my dad and his attitude about weakness. The next thing I knew, I jumped on top of him and started wailing on him. Then my friends, they just laughed and cheered me on. Afterwards, when I was sitting in Vernon's office, all I could think about was Laurie's father and Laurie having to go home and explain what happened to him. And the humiliation. The fucking humiliation he must have felt. It must have been unreal. I mean, how do you apologize for something like that? There's just no way. It's all because of me? And my old man. God, I fucking hate him. He's like this mindless machine I can't even relate to anymore. Andrew, you gotta be number one. I won't tolerate any losers in this family. Your intensity's for shit. You son of a bitch. You know, sometimes I wish my knee would give, so I wouldn't be able to wrestle anymore. He could forget all about me.